Hi, this is Rachelle with Journal Life's Journey. Welcome to my channel. I'm continuing to work on the spring journal that we started in previous videos. This journal was inspired by the folio I created using the spring digitals that are available in the Journal Life's Journey Etsy shop, which will be linked in the description box below. So I am creating an expandable envelope style pocket with the same look as the original folio. This envelope is for the inside back cover of this journal. To create the envelope, I'm using the digital, which has been printed on cardstock and folded to create the base pocket. I will add accordion gussets to close the sides and create the pocket. For the flap, the cardstock was folded to double it and leave a tab or flap to attach to the base pocket. I'm using the We Are Memory Keepers frame punch board to create a frame or window opening. Here I'm using a scrap to measure, cut, and score the pieces that will be used as the gussets. I'm also using a sealed, empty laminate pouch as an acetate alternative to create the window. I'm trimming down the sealed laminate pouch to fit the opening of the frame. Here I'm using printed Tyvek to reinforce the hinge of the window frame. This is a piece of Tyvek that I printed the digital on so that it would match the rest of the papers. Once I added the acetate to the frame, I stitched around the edges of the frame just like I did the frames for the original folio. Using scraps, my We Are Memory Keepers Big Bite, circle punches, and baker's twine, I create a banker's style closure for the envelope flap. I layer the circle punches to make the pieces stronger. I also use layers of smaller circles under the large circles to add some lift to the closure piece. This allows the twine room to wrap around the circle without manually bending the closure edges. Just to be sure I have the correct settings for the big bite, I check the instructions before setting the eyelet. Using more scraps, I create a small circle piece similar to a hole reinforcer to cover the edge of the eyelet. I will be removing the back belly band from the original folio, so I'm using the baker's twine from that piece on the closure for the envelope. To secure the twine, I am using glue and artist tape. After making sure all the pieces fit together and that they will fit the cover, it's time to assemble the envelope. I add the flap to the pocket base and then finish attaching the gussets to create the pocket. I added a previously made journal to the pocket to make sure that it fit. Because the original folio will no longer be used as a standalone piece, I'm removing the belly band from the back so that the folio can be added to the inside front cover of the journal. I have already started assembling the pages for the journal signatures, which we will explore more in a future video. I've chosen to add book corners to the folio and envelopes as a decorative element and to protect the cardstock corners. That's it for this part of the spring journal. Please let me know what you think of creating a cover for the original folio and turning that project into a full-fledged journal. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up and I'll holler at y'all next time. Bye.